Good morning, welcome to our channels. This is Soursop seed. I just harvested yesterday, just removed it yesterday, so it's a fresh one I'm going to use for this training. So I will show you how to plant it if you are using the dry one. So it's just 5 to 6 seed that is there, just to show you how to easily plant Soursop fruit. So if you are using the dry one, you have to soak it inside warm water for 24 hours before you can make use of it. But this one is yesterday that I harvested, so I want to plant it this morning. Let's go. So I'll prepare the soil where I want to plant it. You make sure that where you want to plant it is not under sunlight, too much sunlight. You don't need it because it's just like seedling that you want to germinate to become a tree. So you don't need too much sunlight. You will just dig a little bit. I'll prepare my soil with manure. So you just dig a little bit, not too much digging. You see how I did. Then you will put the seed. Look at the seed. Let it be horizontal, because if you are doing the vertical one, you may get it wrong. But if it's horizontal, you are safe. So it will be in horizontal like this, just like this. You see. Then you cover it with the sand that you remove. As simple as that. That's just it. After that, you wet it. Don't let it be direct sunlight. You don't need direct sunlight at early stage like this. So I'm going to do like 3. In fact, the remaining one I'll plant it inside pockets. So simple, very simple. So that's just it, and then I wet it with water. You wet it every morning and the afternoon, but you have to do the planting early in the morning, or if you don't have time in the morning, late in the evening you can do it, like 6 o'clock you can do your planting. That is that, very simple. Then we germinate, I will transplant it to a normal land where it's going to grow. You know, it is a tree, it's a forest plant. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you'll be notified. Thank you. Bye bye. So look at it. These are Soursop that we planted 7 to 8 weeks ago. They are growing. Look at it. They are growing. So I'll still transplant it to a mainland where they are going to become a tree and bring out fruit, Soursop fruit. Just look at it. So if you want us to grow a seedling for you, just DM us. We can do that for you. Let's discuss. Yeah.